Hello everyone, it is Monday, our first day back after a half term. I hope you had a lovely half term and had a little break and relaxed and are ready now to do a little bit more learning at home. So today we're recognising 2D and 3D shapes. We haven't looked at shape at all in year 2 yet, but I know you've got a lot of knowledge from even reception all the way to year 1 as well, so please use that today. We're just going to recap what the shapes are called and what they look like. We won't be going into too much depth today. We will focus on that throughout the week. So let's have a little warm up at looking at some shapes, some 2D and 3D, and then let's get going. 2D and 3D shapes. Let's have a look. So let's get ready. Which one of these is the odd one out and why? So pause here and have a little think. So it could have been the dice, as it's the only one with spots. It could have been the square, as it's a 2D shape with straight sides. It could have been the cuboid, as it's the only one with rectangular faces. And it could have been the circle, as it's the only one to have a curved side. So let's get learning. Can we say the names as we see them? What shape is this? It is a circle, a triangle, a square, a rectangle, and it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. It is a pentagon. So let's moving on. Both 6 and hexagon both have an X in them. So it's hexagon and 6. Sometimes I make an X with my arms as I say hexagon. Can we do that at home? Bring your arms up. Hexagon. Which shape is the hexagon? Pause here and have a think. So hopefully you counted the sides of the shape. So let's do that together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that cannot be a hexagon as it doesn't have 6 sides. So let's move on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that one is a hexagon. So let's have a look at this one now. So what 3D shape does this little girl have? She has a sphere. Now there is a cone with a little bit of ice cream in. Now we're looking at a cylinder, a pyramid, and here we have a cube and a cuboid, and she's now turned it into a dice. Now we have a prism. Which of these shapes are cylinders? So have a little think here. Pause if you want to. So it's not this one. This is a cone. This is a cylinder. That was a sphere. And this was a cylinder as well. So now I want you to pause here and think about which shapes can you see? Can you name them? Have a little think. So we have a cube, a sphere, a cylinder, a cone, a pyramid, and a cuboid. Well done if you got them right. So now let's have a look at this. So this is very similar to your silver sheet today, if you're going to do silver. And I just want you to encourage you to have a little look at what shapes you're looking at and do one at a time. So first of all, we're going to be looking at triangles. Well, here we are. So I'm going to tally that triangle and cross it out as well. So then I know I have completed those shapes in my picture as well. Here's another triangle and I'm going to do the same. And again, there's another triangle. Here we go. So this here, although it does have triangular faces, it isn't a triangle. So I'm not going to include that today. Moving on to, so I'm going to get rid of that, a square. Do my tally and then cross it out. Please continue this if you're moving on to silver, which I will now describe our bronze and silver look. So this is our bronze sheet today, recognising 2D and 3D shapes. Hopefully the warm-up helped you a lot to recap the names of both of those shapes as well. So just draw a line from the shape to its name and do that for both the 2D and 3D shapes. So this is our silver sheet today. However, if you are choosing to do silver, we would like you to complete the bronze sheet as well. So then moving on to the silver sheet, which shape is the odd one out? You've got 2 of these, and please write a sentence to explain why. Then moving on to the shapes as well. We have already shown you on the video how we would like you to do that. So just cross it out and create your tally and then total it as well. Your challenge today, again, is a true or false. These shapes are both squares. Please write a sentence explaining whether they are right or wrong and explain why.